Welcome back. It's officially summertime, and here with some must-haves for the season, we have beauty and lifestyle expert Dawn McCarthy here with us. Welcome, Dawn. Always great to see you.
Good to see you, too. I'm excited to be here. And what I always say for skincare, you have to have on an SPF every single day.
Definitely.
So this is Bluelene, and this is SunFix. It's the first FDA-approved coral-safe, multifunction sunscreen with Methylene Blue. So Methylene Blue you may have heard about from Joe Rogan. Everyone's talking about now. I talked about this like a few years ago.
You were ahead of it.
Telling you about this, that it outperforms retinol. And again, this one here for the SunFix is for your face, neck, and whole body. It's a day cream, a sun protection, and photo aging all in one.
Ooh, I like
and then
that.
I know I want you to try this. This is their HandPlus, because the thinnest part on our bodies, ladies, is our hands. So you want to protect these even when you're just driving the car or driving around. It's got the methylene blue in it, and it's got advanced pigmentation stuff in it, correctors, because I'm actually starting to get age spots on the back of my hands. You're out at a lot of events at night and things like that. That's going to be really great for you.
This is a great way to get ahead of anything with our hands here. You always bring the best stuff. Thank you so much getting us ready for the summer.